Hi, here we are with this video. I want to recreate this flare that I found on this video. I don't know which movie is this. This video comes from the internet. As you can see here, there is something complex, and there is this vertical streak. It's the first time we find it, and I think we can start using this flare because it's similar to this one, but we have to make some changes. So the first thing we have to do is to activate the vertical streak, because we have it on the other streak here. No, this one, but this one, activate vertical streak, and this is the vertical streak. Is there. We can change the height, we can change the width, and we can change the brightness, and we can move the color that I think, I don't remember, it is this one. Yes, is this one. And so here is a little blue. We could have done it using the Starburst too, because we could have done it with the Starburst here that now is there, but I will use Starburst to create this other one effect that something is sometimes there, sometimes not. This is internal reflection. Maybe we can deactivate the Starburst too if we don't want to have all this complexity. All we have to let it there and change the rotation. Okay, now we will have to modify the ghost dimension, change the scale, and turn in the color of the ghost to this purple. Turn it up. This is the other color. Turning up the brightness, we can remove the center transparency and we will have more gain. We can turn up a little the scale. It may be we already have something like the one we have there. You can try to change the scale of this one. Yeah, it could be the one we need. I like it and I will save it. And thank you for watching. And please, if you want to try to recreate a flare that you find somewhere and you don't know how to do it, send it to me and I will be glad to try to making it. Obviously, this is not a simulator of a real lens, and so there are a lot of limits. This is the most we can do now, and there are things that we can't do right now. So I will try to do everything I can. Thank you and bye-bye.